All right, I'm going to do some side work in this one over here. And it looks like a problem that we've seen in the past, by the way. But I just want to, simplify that and see what I come up with. So it's going to be 1, it's going to be root x minus 4. I'm going to rationalize the bottom by multiplying by root x plus 4. And this is going to be root x plus 4. And this is going to be minus 8. And that's going to be x minus 16. Let's go for that. What do you get over here? Well, you're going to get x minus 16. And then you get root x plus 4. And then you get minus 8. I'm sorry, this is 16. Over x minus 16. Well, I'm looking at it, and it kind of simplifies pretty nicely. You get root x minus 4. And at bottom, you're going to get x minus 16. All right? Now, by the way, someone says, what else are you going to do with it? I guess what you could do is, maybe factor the bottom now. All right? I'll put that down. I'm just playing around with it. This is not a limit, by the way. I'm just playing around with it. So I'm going to say root x, and then looks like 4 and 4, and a minus and a plus. And that does work out, by the way. I'll put parentheses over here. Now, I'm going to go back to do the limit, and let me get my eraser out. Erase this highlighting. I just figured that out. And I'm going to write this as limit as x goes to 16. And I'm going to write it down as what I see over here, which is the root of x minus 4 over the root of x plus 4 times the root of x minus 4. And what do I know about this guy over here? Well, x is not 16, so the factor root x minus 4 is definitely not 0. So this cancels off nicely. Now, the question is, what are you left off with? And let's write this down. The limit at the top, 1, just a constant. And the limit at the bottom is going to be, let's see, root of 16 is 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So you can get 1/8, all right? Now, someone says, I want to do it differently than that way. You can. Let me do that. And what I'm going to do is erase some of the scratch work over here. But I do want to point out, I do want to use another form of this over here that we've already derived, by the way. So you could have also written this down instead, limit as x goes to 16. And you could have written this as the root of x minus 4 over x minus 16. You could have done that. Now, someone says, why would you have done that? Well, maybe you didn't see something else to do, and you could use L'Hopital's rule in this. And why is that? The limit of the top is 0, and the limit of the bottom is 0. So you could use L'Hopital's rule. Let's write that down. Limit as x goes to 16. And the derivative of the top is fairly simple. It's going to be 1 over 2 root x. And what do you get on bottom? That's just going to be 1. Can I do that limit? I can. And what do you get? As x goes to 16, you get 1 over, well, 2 times the square root of 16 is going to be 2 times 4, which is 8. We still get the same result, as expected, by the way, using L'Hopital's rule. Thank you.